Hello everyone, as we are gearing toward the end of our unit and we are going to take the big test on Thursday, just letting you know we want to go over these questions to practice. We're looking for each number or expression is of equal value, meaning if it's the same. If we look at this, how many negatives do we have? Since we have one negative, that means that's an odd, and that means it is going to be a negative answer. Ask yourself this question. Does A have a negative answer if we did 7 divided by 12? Ask yourself this question for B. 7 divided by 12, does it have a negative answer? And look at C. Does this have a negative answer? In number 2, we are looking at true or false. And we want to know if 4 minus negative 2, meaning that 4 minus negative 2, we're going to make a U-turn like I said. So this is going to be 4 plus 3 because we're moving to the right. We are subtracting a negative. And take a look at A. Do you see 4 plus 3? Look at B. Do you see 4 plus 3, and what's our answer? Look at C. We have the absolute value of 4 minus the absolute value of negative 3, which is 4 minus 3. Is that the same as this? Four plus 3, is that the same? Answer to number 3 will be the depth of and the answer to 4, they're going to end up at $7.69. Please study, and if you have any questions, I will be available after school. Thank you.